Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to locate Microsoft Excel. So you would go to Apps, and in some cases for example, when I clicked on it, it comes up in a list like this. Some cases you may see it listed here, but it's still the same. And then you would click on Excel, and then it would open up to this window where you can create a blank workbook, or you can even upload, an Excel workbook that you are already working on. And that is what I mean by uploading from your desktop. This is the online version of Microsoft Excel under Office 365. Okay. There's a big difference because a lot of times I know a lot of people tend to be confused about, you know, what version they're using. This is definitely the online version of Excel, and then there's the desktop version. And some may refer to this as the cloud-based version. Same thing, okay? In other words, it's online. This is online. And the other one that you would download to your computer, that's called the desktop version. The desktop version is always, without a doubt, the better version because you have all the bells and whistles. You have all the commands available to you on that, the desktop version, the one that you would download to your computer. All right, so that's how you locate Microsoft Excel.